Once upon a time, there was a society very similar to ours, where people lived off their work. However, this was about to change. People exchanged the fruits of their labor for goods and services produced by others, thus establishing a cycle of production and consumption. This cycle had been in place for centuries and was deeply ingrained in the fabric of this society. Throughout its history, this civilization has reached significant milestones in increasing its production capacity. These milestones brought with them challenges and opportunities. One of the great milestones that they had was the invention of the steam engine, which gave rise to a true revolution. The advent of steam technology had a profound impact on this society, revolutionizing transportation and manufacturing. Steam engines powered steamboats, locomotives, and factories, enabling faster and more efficient production and distribution of goods. This caused major changes. Many jobs ceased to exist, but many others were created and with great momentum. The advent of the automobile had a similar impact. The assembly line made it possible to produce cars much faster and more efficiently than ever before. As a result, horses were no longer needed to pull carriages, horse breeders lost their jobs, and manual laborers were replaced by machines in factories. The same happened with the advent of computers and automation. These advancements created jobs that were never thought to exist. Companies could automate many tasks that were previously done by humans. Again, some jobs ceased to exist, but new activities emerged. This society was faced with significant challenges due to the sudden advancements in technology. The pace of life was very intense. There was not much free time. Jobs were demanding and no longer stable. There was no longer jobs for life. People have had to update and adapt at an increasing pace to remain productive. It was becoming easier to produce, but more difficult to distribute income in a balanced way. Several governments implemented measures such as increasing the minimum wage or raising taxes on large profits. Over time, computer power evolved to a point where artificial intelligence equaled and in many dimensions surpassed that of humans. People were excited about the prospects of working with cutting-edge technology and contributing to the advancement of society. AI brought about a surge of new job opportunities in various fields, including healthcare, education, environmental sustainability, transportation, and more. This created an explosion of opportunities for those who were attentive and prepared to adapt to the changes, leading to a more diverse and dynamic job market. It seemed like just another milestone where the change would bring huge opportunities, but over time it was realized that this change was different. At that time, AI was super intelligent, often much more intelligent than humans. The impact it was having on society was greater than ever before. As it became more integrated into the economy, many jobs were replaced with automation and software. The fast pace of technological change made it difficult for workers to keep up, and many were left struggling to find new job opportunities. And on top of this challenge, another one was becoming increasingly unbearable: pollution caused by fossil fuels. On one hand, the technology made it so cheap and easy to produce high-quality goods and services that people desired, but on the other hand, it required so much scarce and dirty energy. And this was the reality for several years. They lived on an increasingly polluted planet with immensely costly climate changes. In this society, cutting-edge technology created job volatility, leading to unemployment and precariousness, while an energy crisis caused costs to skyrocket. This created a sense of fear and anxiety among the people. Things were not going well for them. However, one day a discovery was made that changed everything. For a prolonged period, the society pursued a source of energy through nuclear fusion that was almost inexhaustible and had minimal environmental impact. With the help of AI, they achieved that. They were now able to unlock the secrets of this elusive energy source. This was a crucial breakthrough, as energy costs decreased substantially while energy output increased significantly. Along with highly advanced technology, the production of goods and services became easier and more efficient. Many goods and services began to be produced with little or no additional cost. This allowed for the basic needs of the population to be met for free or at a very low cost. But at the same time, having a job became a rare thing. Apparently, society no longer needed to work. Almost everything was built in a simple way and with almost free energy. People had more time to dedicate to other activities, such as leisure, art, learning, and research. Some governments implemented policies to address the challenges, such as implementing a universal income and reducing working hours. The transition was not easy, and many people were hesitant to change the way they lived their lives. Some people struggled with the idea of not having to work and earning a living, and others were concerned about the safety and security of the new system. But despite these challenges, the society held on to the belief that a better future was possible. This could very well be our civilization, facing the challenges brought on by advancements in technology and science. While this story is fictional, it highlights the potential consequences and dilemmas that our society may face in the future. However, it's important to remember that the future is not set in stone, and there are countless other possibilities for the evolution of our civilization. Let us work together to create a future that is filled with hope, prosperity, and equality for all. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.